People, I have another stack of clean and simple cards for you in that chalkboard technique. And I'm going to start with this one. And this is just a single stamp, so all of this stuff is on one stamp. And then I did the little chalkboard lines and the border, you know, with the white colored pencil. I love it so much. And I did it just like the other ones. I did it like this. I'm going to just cut out white paper. I might do a die cut design. I don't know. And it's just beautiful. And then I did all of the envelopes to match. This one is the same stamp, but different paper. And then the envelope. This one's a little bit busy. I'm gonna have to admit, a little bit busy. But I used that great Santa I recently got in a D-stash, Merry and Bright, as my sentiment, and then all my little chalkboard designs, and I added snowflakes. Oh, and then that's the envelope. This one has got this pretty, I love this stamp so much. Pretty reindeer. I used it differently last year. And then I had this reindeer paper. So perfect. And then I did all those snowflakes. We've got this one on the blue snowflakes. And then I have this stamp. I stamped it twice. Just love the way that looks. This little cute snowman, let it snow. Oh my gosh, chalkboard loveliness. I adore it. I think it's going to look so good with you know, everything written in white on here to the recipient. I just think it's going to be so cool. And the same snowman image and envelope. And then this one with, I think this is beautiful too. And I just love it. And I just had another little dove that says peace and a Christmas tree. And there's this one. I love this paper. I really love this paper. Guess you don't need to see the back. And this one says Merry and Bright with a dove. And then I used a nativity stamp that I had. And then the sentiment was separate, peace, love, and joy. This one I had, I thought this sentiment went really well and it matched. So peace on earth. And then this one says Merry Christmas. So this one's also got gold. And what did I do on this envelope? Oh, Jesus is the heart of Christmas. So this one I think is from my mother. And I think this one is from my sister. And this one says, they both say Noel. Noel was a separate stamp. And the beautiful gold paper. And then I'll probably show on my vlog when well, I can't really show my mom's address, but oh well, that'll be a bummer. But anyway, I wanted to share these with you. I had a lot of fun with them yesterday. I did not feel as accomplished as I do when I make the fancier cards, but I made a lot because I made this bunch and I made 19. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed and it inspired you. I do have a tutorial on this like chalkboard kind of design. It's not really difficult at all. It wasn't my idea. I got the idea from Waffle Flower. I loved it and I went with it on a whole bunch of cards. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of my cards, they're listed on eBay. These are not listed because I'm either going to, I'm probably going to use most of these. But if there's any one that you'd really like, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.